Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for my bestie, Sharon, over at From Cheap to Chic. She is hosting a 1,700 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations, Sharon. She is requesting if you post videos that you send her anything for a junk journal that is Winnie the Pooh themed. It is due October 15th. She also has other options if you do not post videos or if you're international. I will link her channel down below so you can check out her video for all the requirements for her challenge giveaway. I did not have a lot of Winnie the Pooh supplies in my stash. I will definitely be keeping my eye out in the future for more Pooh related items. And it's funny because I grew up and I had a stuffed Winnie the Pooh, and my second daughter also grew up with Winnie the Pooh. I was really surprised when I went through my stash that I had very minimal. I am sending Sharon the supplies that I do have. So I just have the papers between these cardboards, so hopefully they won't get squished in the mail. So these were gifted to me in a paper swap. I was sorting through some of the papers and I found that there was some Winnie the Pooh, so I pulled them out. Hopefully she will be able to use these in her journal. So we have this cute Winnie the Pooh one and Tigger. These are just so sweet. And then I do have a paper pad that has a miscellaneous. I don't even know who it's from because I'm not sure who Winnie the Pooh is from, but I found this cute paper sheet in there. And we have Pooh, Piglet, and Eeyore. And this is for like a scrapbook layout, and it's just the Pooh face. It's so cute. And this one are little Pooh silhouettes. So you can see like little Pooh right there. So sweet. And this was all of the paper that I have to share with Sharon. I had a package of these borders and they are from Classic Winnie the Pooh. I am sending these her way. I think they will make really good border trims in her journal. They are the super cutest. I really like the pastel classic colors of Winnie the Pooh. Sending these her way. These are just some border trims. I hauled a paper kit and inside someone had printed this quote from Winnie the Pooh. I'm going to be sending this her way. Maybe she can use it as a pocket on her journal. I'm also sending her some Pooh color dewdrops. I'm guessing that this would be a good color combo, so I'm sending those. And this is not Pooh related, but I saw that Sharon hauled a big cheese die, like a Swiss cheese die. And while I was looking for Winnie the Pooh supplies, I came across these tiny little mice. This is a button and these are two charms. They're mice, and I thought this would be so cute for one of her projects. So I'm going to slip this inside her Pooh package. I went through my box of vintage books. I did have one Winnie the Pooh. Let's see if I can find the date on this. This is definitely vintage. I can tell by the papers. This one is from 1965. This is a treasure. Look at how different his image has changed. An awesome book. Hopefully Sharon will be able to give this book a second life. I'm sure that in my yard sale traveling, I will be able to find another Pooh book to put back in my stash. Sharon is my bestie, and there's no one else I'd rather have this book than her. And if she's like me, which I know she is, it's going to be so hard to break this book down, but it's going to make her journal all the more special. This is awesome. Sharon, I hope you love this book as much as I do. That was all of the supplies that I had in my stash. However, I do have a Winnie the Pooh Cricut cartridge. Let me show you what I created for Sharon. The first thing is this layered Pooh. Hopefully she can use this as a title on one of her pages. The next is this Pooh face. He's so stinking cute. These definitely were harder to cut on the Cricut because of these little tiny pieces that had to be sliced out of it. So I did make it a little bit bigger, and I think it's so stinking cute. This would be so fun like on a corner page since it kind of has that corner look right here. And I also created this one. This is just so stinking cute. If she puts a photo down here, it could be like Pooh is looking at it. So adorable. And I created this Pooh. This is the baby Winnie the Pooh. So stinking cute. What I did do is I converted it into a secret pocket. I did double layer it and created a pocket in the back for this little honey pot. She can do some journaling on here. That slips right down there. It's so super cute. And that is my entry for Sharon, my bestie over at From Cheap to Chic. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.